Hey everyone, welcome back to another of my mum's delicious tart recipes. Today I'm going to make my mum's rhubarb tart, and this tart takes me back to days of homegrown rhubarb and family get-togethers here in Ireland. We're going to make the pastry first. This is really easy to make and it's a really gorgeous pastry as well. All you have to do is rub cold butter into self-raising flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. I do freeze and grate the butter as I find this will give you a fantastic pastry. Next we're going to pour in the sugar and mix it in until it's fully combined. Now add in a beaten egg and a little cold water. Mix with a fork and then get your hands in there and bring it together into a ball. Cover with cling film and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. By chilling the pastry it makes it easier to roll out and you have a better pastry too. When the pastry is chilled, cut it in half and knead it a little on a floured surface to soften it before you roll it out with a rolling pin. You want the pastry with a bit of a bite to it, so it's important not to roll the pastry too thin. Place the pastry on a greased plate and pat it down. Sprinkle some cornflour or cornstarch on top, and this will help thicken the juices from the rhubarb and prevent a soggy bottom. Pour the chopped rhubarb on top and sprinkle over the sugar. To seal the tart, brush around the edge with some cold water and place the other half of the rolled out pastry on top. Press the pastry edge down with your fingers and trim with a sharp knife. Use a sharp knife to cut a small cross in the centre of the top of the tart and prick the pastry in a few places. Brush with egg all over, and if you've got any leftover pastry then you can make some nice pastry decorations with it like I've done. And that's it, all done, and now it just needs 30 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven until golden in colour. When it's ready, cool for a little while before cutting into it. The rhubarb is lovely and soft and you can see some juice there too. Serve with custard and cream, and if you have some ice cream too, it's lovely as well. That's how we like it here. And you can't forget the cup of tea as well to go along with it. I really hope you try out this rhubarb tart recipe, and if you do, you're gonna love it. You'll find the recipe in the description box under the video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!